Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can insert Google Drawings into a Google Docs document. So what is a Google Drawing? Well, Google Drawings is essentially a sub-tool inside of Google Docs that allows you to create a complex design that wouldn't be possible in Google Docs alone. For example, you can design something like flowchart, flare, or you can even stack multiple images together, which is not possible in Google Docs. So let me show you the guide. First, to insert Google Drawings, you must go to this Insert menu, and then click Drawing, and then you can click New. By the way, you can also insert drawings from Google Drive if you have one, but in this video, I'm gonna just using a new drawing. So just click New. And as you can see here, there are many options to start designing. You can insert shapes, you can also insert lines, tags, and also images. Again, there are many designs you can create with this tool, but I want to keep everything simple, so I'm gonna just insert an image alongside with text. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to select a photo from my Google Photos account. Let's say I'm going to pick this picture, and then click Insert. Okay, there are many other tools available to edit this image, but I just want to add some text on top of it. So go ahead and click text box and click where the area you want to insert the text. Maybe I'm going to put it in the middle here, and I'm going to type something. Okay, that's pretty simple. Let's change the font to something better. And let's increase the size to maybe 60. Let's adjust the size of the text box. And of course, I also have to change the color to make it more prominent. Okay, so let's move it to the middle. Fortunately, there is a guide that will ensure that design is symmetrical. Okay, so this is just a basic design that you can create on Google Drawing. Again, there are many other options. You can design almost anything. You can even draw something with a stylus in this tool. So if you are happy with the design, you can click Save and Close to insert the design to the document. Alright, now we have this design, but this is unlike inserting image. You can still adjust some settings like text wrapping and also some image settings here, like you can change the rotation, the size, and many other options, but you cannot change the text here. Even though this is technically a text, but you cannot just edit it on Google Docs. You need Google Drawing. So in case you want to modify the design again, you can just click on the edit button and it will launch Google Drawing that allows you to redesign everything. So yeah, this is basically how you can use Google Drawing on Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and if that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.